Hello everyone. So in today's session we will be completing bulk apex trigger. So just click on it. After clicking we'll be landing here. Just come to challenges and copy the name. This we need in the future. So do Control C, otherwise right click and copy it. After that click on launch. After clicking launch we'll be landing here. In the top right corner there is a gear icon. So just click on it. After that click developer console. So if you want developer console in new tab, just press Ctrl and click. After that we'll be landing here. Go to files, new, apex trigger and paste what we have copied. After that for S object just scroll and go to opportunities. And click on it. After that submit it, and I'll be giving the code in the description. So just copy the code from the description. After that remove what all are written here and paste the code and save it. You can see saving is coming here. After it's saved, go to the page from where we have started our challenge and click here to earn points. So as you can see, we have completed both the tasks under apex trigger. From the next session, we will be completing apex testing. Thank you for watching.